Ayan mga kabala, hello, we are here again, no? I'm back, so very quick, no? Saglit lang, ayan na. So, continuation tayo mga kabala ka, yung sa vlog natin, yung kanina. So, ito na yun ngayon, pangalawa. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin mga kabala, continuation, no? Para sa mga viewers natin, medyo mahaba-haba yung mapanood nila. Tsaka yung kwentuhan natin, yung jamming natin, no? Kahit na pa isa, pa dalawa. O, tapos explanation, kaunti about sa music. At least para for those viewers natin na mahilig sa mga beginners, also the music listeners, gustong ano nito, yung mga pattern. So, may mapanood sila. So, ayan. Ever from this place again, my viewers outside from this country, Asian and foreigner, hello sa inyong lahat. Hi. And thank you sa mga nag-subscribe na sa akin channel. Stay tuned my page, my channel. So ayan, I'm going to igi-igi mag-upload. Ayusin ko, pagandahin ko palalo para sa inyo, para sa mga viewers ko. Ayan, mag-isip ako ng mga bagong i-upload natin, no? So pag-igihan ko lang. So, ayan, stay tuned lang sa my channel ko. Nandyan lang kayo para sa akin. No, guys? So, thank you. Ayan. So, this time, we're going to jamming na, no? We're going to try, kanina mga kabala, what I have play is pop music yun siya, no? Try to guess lang. Who's the artist? Woman man yun siya. A female artist. So, subukan yung hulaan lang, no? Tapos kung sino nakakaalam sa lyrics noon, kantahin nyo. Tapos habang nagkwentuhan tayo, ayan, para masaya yung banding natin ba? The banding moment, it will be happy, no? Together with me, all of you guys out there. So ayun lang. Parang on the spot kasi itong mga kabalak, no? Yung iba nito, I have other idea, I think on the spot, because especially music, if we review, I think we're going to memorize the lyrics, no? So matagal ko nang hindi masyadong na-practice siya. Sometimes I use this for vlog only. That's what I said lately, no? So ayan. So jamming muna tayo para makakwentuhan tayo mga kabalak, mga kaibigan, mga viewers ko outside. You have also a duplicate. You see? Nagluluto ako niyan. Yan yung lately na vlog ko. I-additional sa ating segment natin na cooking kwentuhan. Simpleng food, mga kaibigan, we're going to prepare simple food. And then we're going to kwentuhan, no? Yan lang yung ano muna natin, yung vlog natin ngayon. Sabay kwentuhan, sabay luto. So yan yung nadagdag sa atin, mga kabalak, no? So I'm sure yung mga kabalak, you know na what it means balak, no? Yung isang vlog ko, to do something like that, no? Not bad words, the meaning of balak. Balak is to what is in your heart felt, to do something right now, or at this moment, something like that. What's your plan, or balak? That is parang Bisaya version siya. Kabalak, no? So, manage lang tong English ko dahil I'm going to study for that. I'm going to clarify. I love other words to use also. Whatever Asian words, kahit ano yan, European words or other country. Pero ito lang yung usually na pagkaalaman ko. Pero konti lang siya, mga slightly. Kasi sa Pilipino, nandoon na yung parang English sometimes ginaganon nila eh. Parang nabibigkas ng English. So that's why I have something to know about knowledge for this only. That's just a little bit. So mga foreigner, mga viewers ko, if there's just in case they have, so try to manage to understand, no? So watch lang my video. Ayan. So again, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin. Ayan. So ngayon, we're going to proceed jamming na. I think we're going to balance, no? Alternative. Try to alternative. So ayan mga kabala. habang nanonood kayo, nagaluto kayo, preparing food ba? So, here we go. Tarang ito mga kabalak is from Jen Blossom. Yeah. Matagal na to pero yung lyrics, iwan ko, itry ko. Ganun. Simplify lang natin. You think it'd be alright when you crash down here tonight and say I'm no shit for driving. Anyway, you got no place to go, but you know man it be that bad. You're the best I ever had. If I had growing home 3 years ago, might not be alone. Tomorrow we could drive around this town. Yes, the stone is something that might be found. Take it, faith. Jesse, hey Jesse. Jesse. Yeah, diba yan, no? You trust me not to think I'm not sleeping around if you don't expect too much. 'Cause I'm not feeling down. Sorry, I wants to be with you. Like an out of tune. If I had a blowing up years ago, I would be with you. My we could drive around this town. Guess the stone is something that might be found. Take it away. Hey Jesse, hey Chelsea, hey Chelsea, hey Chelsea. Do you think it'd be alright when we crash down here tonight? You see, I'm not shit for driving, and when you got no place to go, but your life might not be that bad. The best I ever had. If I had a blowing home 3 years ago, we might not be alone. Tomorrow we could drive around this town. Guess the stone is something that might be found. Take it away. Hey Jesse, hey Jesse, hey Jesse, hey Jesse. Ayan mga kabalak, no? Sana nagustuhan nyo yung jamming na yan, no? Ano kasi yun? Parang matagal ko nang naano kasi yan, nakalimutan ko lang yung mga mga pisan, yung ibang pisa kasi. Parang hindi na masyado ako nag-gitara actually. I tell you honestly mga kabalak, mga kaibigan, bihira na lang siya. So, lalo na mayroon ako nakita yun, mga early young age, mga bata pa. They will play guitar. Grabe, talagang humahanga ako. Mga bata pa ngayon, grabe yung mga talent, pati organ, piano, nagda-drums, meron, maliit na mga chikiting. They will know how to drums also. They will play very well. So, ayan mga kabalak. So, yung sa akin kasi, meron akong also pinagdaanan. I have a trials also to myself. That's why I leave this one. So, again, I play because I just wanted to put it in video, no? For vlogging, or vlog, something like that. So that's why I come back this to play. But the lyrics, the other song, I forgot na, mga kabalak, mga kaibigan. It was a very long time ago. Hindi na. So, yung sa akin naman is jamming at the time, parang kanto-kanto jamming lang, mga kabalak ba. May kasiyahan, may festa, may birthday. That's the time you play, but not too much because just to listen a heavy metal song, no? If you play the cassette at the time, tape, you put in the radio, ano yun na? Tapos play, heavy metal. There's a lot of heavy metal at the time, even right now. The hair, it was turned into white. And then, play heavy metal also, already, until the very end of their days, no? So, very diehard sila sa ganon, no? Career. Parang ganon, mga kabalak, sa nakikita ko. Kaya, yung sa akin, I were not going to compete, no? Competing sa music because you're good guitarist, good writer, good. You also burst you know, you to become perky something. So I have my to bet you can play me, yung mga ganon, makabalak ba? Para sa akin, baka yung iba magtingin sa akin magiging mayayabangan, ay hindi ganon. Hindi yung lifestyle ko na ganon, parang acting like mayabang. Acting like something like, mga kaibigan, is parang you are live, buhay ka, parang ganon ba? Tinuturo nila. Mag-arisgada ka, magpakakuan ka sa imong sarili. Because what I've said, I have a trials also to myself, no? So that's why I put into here the situation to making videos, vlogging, like that, like other also. So yun, if there's a lot of subscriber, so I think that's the one it could help, no? Especially to improve myself and my family. So that's why, mga kaibigan, I'm just asking you to please subscribe my channel, my page, and that's it. My thank you, it will be until the very end of my days, no? So ayun lang, yun muna yung maisip ko ngayon, may contribute sa inyo, jamming and kwentuhan. So I think by later on, hindi natin alam yung mga araw na darating, coming days to our life. So I think outside making videos, vlog, to capture a beautiful, what we call this one, background, no? Even I also personally have felt about happiness of adventure, something like that. Adventurista, parang ganon. Gusto ko yan. Tapos sa mga bukirin, tapos sa mga beaches, captured videos, something like that, mga kaibigan, no? Parang nagka-camp also to stay parang vacation, stay many days, no? Gusto ko rin yan, mga kabalak. Mga viewers go outside, but no? Or you just willing to know about myself. That's what I felt, my natural behavior to love place, looks, beautiful places. So, ayan, mga kabalak, no? So, yung time check natin is medyo, yun, lapit na. So, next time na tayo going outside to capture a beautiful background. Ayan, mga kabalak. So, ayun. So, jamming lang. Yung mama ko ibalhin sa iyang kuan. Kanang maginatanaw niyang mga vlog ba. Ang paborito niya, tinitingnan niya. Pero hindi dito sa ating bansa, sa labas, sa outside. Nagtitingin siya doon, couples, tapos they live right outside this country. Yun yung tinitingnan niya ngayon. So, taga-fan po siya, followers siya. Viewers siya nung yung tinitingnan niya. Basta, hindi ko nababanggitin. So, until next time, mga kabalak, no? Naka-jamming na tayo. Napakita ko na yung song sa inyo. So, mga viewers ko outside, far from this place, Until next time, we see you again, no? So thank you sa mga subscriber ko. Thank you a lot. Until the very end of my days. Thank you. Ayan. So ayan, no? Cooking additional natin na. Cooking kwentuhan. Simply food lang. And then together with kwentuhan. So ayan, until next time mga kabala. See you again. See you later.